Hi, K-Dreamers!
I am Pauline,
And I am Janeline.
and we are from Edward, Korea. So if you're planning to study and work in Korea, this video is for you. Okay, so actually, madaming nalilito dyan. So explain ko in simple terms, okay? First is yung D4 visa. Ito yung visa for language students. So, kung pupunta ka ng Korea para mag-aral ng Korean language, then ito dapat yung kunin mo. Usually, beginner ka pa lang or gusto mo muna matuto ng Korean bago mag-college, D4 muna. Next naman is yung D2 visa. Ito yung visa for degree students. So, meaning, kung magka-college ka, master's or university program sa Korea, ito yung visa na dapat mong kunin. So, mas advanced na siya kasi enrolled ka na talaga sa university. Yes, pwede. But take note, may rules, okay? Usually, you can work part-time after 6 months of studying. But since we have our partner factory companies, you can start right away.
Okay, so, and limited lang yung hours, like around 20 hours per week during school days.
Yes, correct. Actually, so, hindi siya full-time ha. Priority pa rin is studies ng students. Work is just for support.
Okay, so, campus life in Korea is super nice, malinis, safe, and very student-friendly.
Yes, actually, most campuses may cafeterias na affordable. We have our partnered universities that offer only 40 pesos for a meal. So, sa 40 pesos mo, may complete meal ka na sa Korea. And walking distance lang usually ang dorms or apartments from school.
So, their transportation is very convenient.
Yes.
Bus, subway, very organized.
Okay, so dito talaga natin makikita na very productive, very safe
Yes.
country ang South Korea. So, schedule balancing of work and classes. Now, reality check muna tayo, guys. Kailangan marunong ka talagang mag-balance. So, during D4 or yung language course, yung class mo is from 8 a.m. to 12 noon, which means you can work part-time from 1 p.m. onwards.
Yes, morning classes, then part-time job after. So, nakakapagod, no? But kaya. Time management is a key.
Correct. So with our partner universities, you can be able to work right away since we also have partner factory companies there.
About scholarships, EDUA Korea also offer various scholarships for our students.
Yeah, so aside from university, scholarship na usually partial lang and based on your grades, performance, or language proficiency, meron din tayong ibang options. So we also help process applications for JKS or the Global Korea Scholarship Program.
Imagine this, covered ang tuition fee, my free airfare, my monthly allowance, and even free Korean language training for 1 year.
And just to clarify lang guys, yung JKS, you can actually apply this on your own. Open siya for everyone. Pero since it's very competitive, dahil maraming countries yung pwedeng mag-apply dito, walang assurance talaga na masaselect ka.
Yeah, that's why many students choose to apply through us.
Because through our program, we already have partner schools and universities na pwedeng magbigay sa inyo ng sure na slots. So, meaning guided ka from start to finish. Documents, your preparation, and submission. But of course, since it's also guided and assisted process, there will be a processing fee. So that's it for our orientation. We hope na may natutunan kayo today.
Yes, this is just a start. So marami pa kami isi-share to guide you in Korea journey.
So guys, if you're interested to apply or want to learn more, feel free to message us anytime. We are here to help. See you in Korea!